Now the Pamela Jam is getting set up for tonight. We got some cars starting to roll in. Gene Winfield's cars are here. The excitement is growing. There's one of Gene's. I believe Clay Frazier did the striping and lettering on that one. Over here, I got this cute little racer. Everything's getting set up in a little bit of a, as usual, getting set up. Everything's in a little disarray in the very beginning.
Yep, I have it yesterday. Are you having me back? Right?
Yeah, so that's that car.
This is my round.
We're back in town. Pre-Sema Kickoff, gonna shake the ground. Atomic Golf's the place where the legends meet. Riding high on adrenaline, feel that energy. Artists on the panel jamming live. Show cars revving, feel that drive. Michelle doesn't charge, she's running the show. Hogs and Heifers, let's go, let's go. Rocking the night at the Pre-Sema scene. High energy, yeah, you know what I mean. And the freak of nature doing the car thing. This is the party everyone has been waiting for. Show cars gleaming, artists in the zone, got the mini truck hall of fame too. Atomic Golf's is the place to be. 17th annual, we're taking it higher. This is rock and roll and we're burning with fire. In to country's best, coming to the show. From the panel jam to the auction floor, making money for the cancer kids, celebrating art, making the community proud.